Oh my God. I could have died just then. All right, guys, we are here today with the Swamp Zilla and
Rob the Builder.
Rob the Builder. And we're gonna play a game of
Skate, anything counts.
literally anything counts. And I for one am excited because I think this is gonna get really, really stupid.
I think so. I hope so.
Why do I keep doing that? Okay, we're gonna have to call the trick.
Okay,
Go ahead.
I'm going for the throat.
Straight for the throat.
Straight for the throat. Around the world, off the shed.
What? That was stupid.
I mean, it's not what I was trying.
Okay.
I totally just lost my turn.
I've been waiting all day to do this. Okay, we're doing single egg roll forward and then just drop the board. I think that's gonna be my entire strategy the whole game. How many egg rolls? S.
I'm already starting off bad. I like ran into the shed.
Yeah, you got dirt on your face?
Do I?
Yeah,
Oh.
just a little bit. Okay, you ready?
We're good.
Egg roll forward, egg roll back, jump on the board. First try, come on. Dang it.
Was I supposed to go that way though?
Don't matter.
Okay.
You nailed it.
There we go.
Okay,
I just
okay.
wanted to make sure there was no controversy. We didn't need an egg gate.
Yeah, true that. Egg roll forward, no touch the board, jump on.
Okay.
Your turn.
You almost had that.
That was stupider than I thought. And I can think pretty stupid.
I'm gonna go for that again so everyone knows I was trying something.
Yeah.
It just went horribly wrong.
We believe you.
Why does that not work on this board? It just puts you on your butt.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not doing that again.
Okay, I don't know what this is called, but it's your front hand, and then it's like you'll see.
Oh. I think that's like a sow flip. Sow flip. Sow flip?
Sow flip? Is that a sow flip? Leave it in the comments below.
Is that it?
Oh, I didn't see it.
Oh, leave it in the comments if you think I did it.
Did he fit? Yeah.
Okay. It
was
wasn't
good.
as good as yours.
Well, it's been years of practice, you know? Wow, this is a lot scarier than I thought. This is called the popcorn. Good luck. Is that scary?
No. Mainly because I just saw you do it.
Okay.
So I was like, well, it's possible.
Okay, watch out your shadow.
I'm trying to distract you however I can.
Okay, ready? Popcorn revert. Oh, dang it. That would have been good too.
All right, all right. I'm gonna pull it up, egg stand.
Okay. Wow. Derek, is that valid?
Absolutely.
Oh, you almost had it.
Kidding me?
You almost had it.
S? I'll take it. Take that S with pride. What is
did-
it,
how did-
SS?
Yeah. How'd you ask if that was valid? You said anything counts. Literally anything counts.
I just wanted to know because I saw Derek laughing and then I was like, I wonder what Derek is thinking in his head right now. And then he said, yes, it's fully valid.
Okay, so, I think that would be a good one.
Yeah.
Russian boneless.
Russian boneless.
Yeah,
I've
that's
never
when-
even heard of that before.
It's when you're here and then,
Oh, I see. Okay. Run it.
okay. Oh, that's not even what I was trying. Delete that whole thing. All right, right here.
Okay.
You got it.
I'm going back to the same trick because I've never done this before and I'm going to be proud of myself when I land it. Popcorn revert. Dang it. Okay, maybe never again. Maybe never try that
No,
again.
you can keep trying that. So then I might have a chance. Walk the dog.
Like fakie style?
Yeah, so here, T, back to T.
Like
I
fakie,
think,
right?
Yeah, I think 2 would be. Sufficient. Tail drop off the fence. Does that
No
count?
way.
I could just tail drop off of this?
No. You can if you want.
Okay. Is that cheating?
No.
I mean,
No, Aaron got that.
Okay.
Yeah, 100%. I live on the fence.
I don't know if I got this.
No, that's... I'll take a letter. 100% cannot do that. I'm not too scared. Don't be scared, Aaron. You just got one broken foot. You could have two.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Just don't break the egg. Here, do you want to? You can hold on to my shoulder.
Oh, come on.
You got the fence to use too. Watch out for that. There you go.
What? No way. I'm not gonna jump it. I was gonna, and then I was like, no way. I could just feel myself going, Aaron, how did you break your foot again? Well, I was on this egg Swamp Zilla on a fence. It's okay, I take the letter. Okay.
I don't know what this is called.
Wow.
I felt like Ken Griffey Jr. in the outfield, like reaching out for that board.
Field of dreams. If you build it, they will come. Was that your front hand?
Yeah. There you go.
Like that?
Yeah.
Wow, I like that.
It looks harder than it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a new one for me.
Now I don't know what to do.
This is what's good about anything counts.
Board slide that bench.
Okay.
You have to land into the trash can. I don't know if that's fair.
Wow. Okay, you gotta hold the bench.
Yeah, that's a nice bench.
Nice and buttery. Okay, ready, Derek? Are you watching this?
Yeah.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
You're holding it?
Yeah.
Okay, you promise.
Yeah, I promise.
Okay.
Don't smash me. I got it though.
Just kidding, I did both benches.
I low-key,
Straight
that was
out of
pretty
one
good. You like board slid the other one?
Yeah, I know, right? I thought this was gonna be funny.
I would have
Funny
gave you
guy.
a letter. I would have been like, no, it was on this one.
It's true.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. I know it's not gonna work. Not with that attitude. This
You
is
gotta
totally gonna work.
believe in
I'm gonna
yourself.
throw, drop down, and it's gonna flip over. Oh,
He
into-
actually jumped on there. Ready? 180 no comply. Yes, sir. Wow. Wow.
little tail slide.
Okay. Switch 180 no comply.
Oh. Oh, now
What?
now I'm really upset.
First try?
He didn't specify backside or front side.
Huh?
No, here we go. I gotcha. Oh, big spin.
All right. Is that K or A?
I think that's K.
All right. Well, at the beginning of this, I said I'm going to get stupid.
Well, let's go.
We're going 5 reverse egg rolls to drop in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna start in Casper, full 360, and then land.
Okay. Wow.
Sorry.
There was like a vein popping in his neck when he landed on that bad boy. Okay, full 360. We need a judge for this because this is gonna get, controversial.
I'll count it. It was like
Count it?
It was like 340.
Yeah, right. That was like 365.
Oh, did a spacewalk on
Yeah,
this?
you got it. Egg walk.
Does that count?
Yeah.
Egg walk?
Okay.
It could be a scrambled egg walk
With
too.
Andy Anderson's powers in me.
Oh, okay. You definitely got that one.
Kind of?
Yeah, I think I actually get a letter because you did it better than me. What's that trick? Oh, the Mike Vallely,
Yeah.
where you're gonna skate and then push the board out, and it's gonna do
Oh, yeah.
some power slide,
Good call.
360s, and I'm gonna jump back on. Oh, no! One too many rotations.
Every bone in my body wants to steal that trick from you,
You can,
but I'm not going to
but you know I got it next try.
because I'm a gentleman. And I'm going to go back to 5 reverse egg rolls. 1, 2, 3,
No pressure.
4, 5. We're in there. Those first 3 were deadly catches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nicely done. Well played. Nicely played. Popcorn, revert.
Okay,
Backside revert from the nose.
gotcha. Ooh, I like that. That was sick.
Thanks. Took me 3 tries. Almost lost me the game.
I don't know if that counts.
Yeah, that counts.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going 360 body varial. Backside.
Oh! Would you just aim for the board?
I am 41 years old and my back should not move that direction ever again.
Ah! I was trying to revert. I don't know why.
This is strawberry milkshake.
Oh, let's see it.
Ah! I could have had it. It would have been the most glorious strawberry milkshake to ever exist in milkshake land. Right?
Yeah. Anything counts. It's so hard to think of like, oh yeah, the Mike V. What am I doing? That's right. Okay. Man. It slides when I don't want it to, and then it doesn't when I do.
Oh my God. I could have died just then.
Both of my shins were like, yeah, like screaming. 1 foot kick turn.
Wow. Like that?
Yeah, that was
More
it.
or less.
Were you saying wow, like, wow, I can't believe he thought I couldn't do that?
No, I was like, I didn't think I could do that.
It's a lot easier than it looks.
Yeah.
Fakey 360 shove it. Oh.
Thank you and thank you. Okay, well, it's not an anything counts game without a strawberry milk.
All right.
Strawberry Milkazilla. Wow, what the frick? What do you call this?
I can't do it on my normal board trick.
Some call it a feather
anti-flip.
flip. Some call it anti-flip. Maybe a cancel flip, maybe somebody.
I call it a kick flip back.
What do I got?
Hey,
A?
we're gonna do push on the nose. Board's gonna go between my leg. I'm gonna grab it and then push switch out.
Okay. You gotta stop practicing. Okay,
That
okay.
one I need some practice. I don't even think I was close to what I was attempting.
Okay, I'm doing 1 foot south flip, drop it, and then hit the nose, grab it with the backhand, and then reverse south flip.
Gotcha. Where was the reverse one?
I don't know.
Does it reverse mean at some point you were gonna go backwards?
Never mind, never mind. It's your turn.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so that was your front foot, front hand.
No, I grabbed both. I'm not counting that. That
What?
was
Why?
not, no, that I was, okay, well, he just did it, okay.
I think that was good.
Okay, all right, my turn. We're gonna call this the Andrew Reynolds. So I'm gonna stand here, I'm gonna jump, kick the board off of the fence and have it come back under my feet.
Yeah, I like it. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, you think that was like, whoa, that's stupid. This is more than you guys. T? Okay.
Oh, do I dare try the
That was a good game.
Do I dare try the around the world again off the?
Yeah, 100%. Frickin' A.
Front hand. Nope. Almost had it. You almost had it. So instead of grabbing in between the leg, you grab mute, and then it's like break dancing. So I'm gonna step wide, plant my hand, push the board through, turn it to melon, back around. I don't know if that made sense.
That made 0 sense. I think what I did though was pretty good if I didn't fall, right?
Yeah, I would have counted it. It was a different trick.
Leave it in the comments below. Grab mute, step wide, push your hand, flip it around.
Land it, land it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna count that. That was really well.
straight out of Lompoc, a crazy mother named Aaron.
G-turn. That did not work.
No comply, revert.
Ooh. You're really going for the throat.
Sheesh. Wow, see? This guy, freaking A. Backside 180, no comply.
Ooh. Okay, okay. Let's end this. I'm doing the Mike Vallely board spin out. Come on, Aaron! Oh, what?
Like
Dang,
this guy doesn't know what era I grew up in.
You did that so much better than me. Oh.
Mike V's my grandpa. Actually, he's my dad.
I'm gonna do handstand, egg stand.
Egg stand.
And then I guess I gotta land back on the board.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not actually as easy as I thought.
Oh. Derek, tell the man this.
You know this guy's 41?
I'm using his kryptonite, age. I mean, you don't have to go for very long. You got this.
Okay, okay. I didn't pop. That wasn't a try. I can't even cheat it. I cannot.
Here, go against the wall and you can walk your feet up.
I cannot. I gotta take a letter.
I think that was a cheap trick.
No, that was a good trick. I'm taking it.
You know, you beat me twice.
That was valid.
I'm pulling out all the cheap shots here.
That was good.
Some would say I'd.
I was thinking that maybe I could kick my feet up. They're just not gonna move that way right now. Okay, that was fun.
Okay.
That was good.
All right.
That was a good game.
You know, I feel like I'm.
What, they don't call it anything counts, so you do tricks that don't count.
You're right, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, you were doing 5 egg rolls.
Literally.
Dude, why didn't you do that? Like, oh, what about like a 360 roller? Like, as you roll it forward, it turns?
360, egg roll. Just kidding.
Like this.
Oh yeah, there you go.
You know what I'm saying? So it like goes down, but as it catches here, it actually turns.
Yeah. Ooh, that's hard. There you go. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And if you're ever down in Solvang, go to the Solvang skate shop and give Robby some support. Let's go.
Yeah. Good game.
Good game. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.